हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज नीरज वर्मा फ्रॉम study.tricksmaker नीरज चैनल। तो आइए हम लोग फिर से आगे क्लास 9th एनसीईआरटी जो बुक है उसके क्लास 9th में एक्सरसाइज 4.3 के न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व कर रहे थे। तो उसी में आगे चलते हैं। न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 7 क्या है देखेंगे कि यामिनी एंड फातिमा, two students of class 9th of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write linear equation which satisfies this data. You may take their contributions as rupees X and rupees Y. Draw a graph of the same. मीन्स हमें जो यहाँ डेटा गिवन है उसके बेस पे लीनियर इक्वेशन फॉर्म करना है और उस लीनियर इक्वेशन का फिर ग्राफ भी ड्रा करना है। दो वर्क है हमारे पास। एज इट इज इंडिकेटेड इन अ ब्रैकेट दैट यू मे टेक देयर कंट्रीब्यूशंस एज रुपीज एक्स एंड वाई। तो हम क्या करेंगे, लिखेंगे लेट द कंट्रीब्यूशन of Yamini be rupees X and that of Fatima be rupees Y. Given total contribution, what is the total contribution? Of the two. Total contribution of the two is given rupees 100. Rupees 100. And according to our assumption, what is the total contribution? Yamini contributed rupees X and Fatima contributed rupees Y. So total contribution of the two is X plus Y. X plus Y is the total contribution of Yamini and Fatima, and there is given total contribution 100 rupees. So total contribution X plus Y equal 100. This is our linear equation. And after that it is said that draw a graph for the same. So, you can draw a graph. It is very easy. How can you draw a graph? Tabulate the data with the help of this equation. X equal and Y equal. Take only 2 points. First of all, putting X equal 0, then Y equal 100. Y equal 0, then X equal 100. 2 points are necessary. At least 2 points are necessary to draw a graph. We have taken 2 points. This is very easy way. Then draw the graph. Assume the scale. Assume a scale that 10 rupees equal 1 bracket 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter अगर ले लेते हैं 10 rupees इक्वल, तो यहाँ पार्ट्स कितने होंगे? 10 होंगे। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2. First of all, taking x on x axis 0 means 0. We will move neither on right side nor on the left side. After that, moving on y axis at 100 rupees, and 100 rupees, as we have assumed, we have taken a scale that 10 rupee equal 1 centimeter. 100 rupee equal 100 will be divided by 10. Divide it means 10 points means this will be our first 0, 10. Next time, move on x-axis on the right side at 100 rupees. 100 rupee equal 10 points. So 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is here, and y is 0 means this will be our second 10, 0 second point. And draw the graph joining these points. We can draw the graph of given data, and this is our answer. Now move towards the next numerical. Now let us read the next numerical. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. This is our linear equation, given linear equation, F equal 9/5 C plus 32. This is your information. That in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas countries like India, Bangladesh, temperature is measured in Celsius. So the equation is given, which converts Fahrenheit into Celsius. Now question arises that draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. मीन्स हमें सेल्सियस को x-axis के लिए यूज करना है, फॉरेनहाइट को y-axis के लिए यूज करना है. तो गिवन इक्वेशन क्या है? Given linear equation is F equal 9/5 C plus 32. Tabulate the data with the help of this equation. You can put similarly 2 points. Take 2 points only for x-axis C or y-axis F. C is an independent variable, but we can use only 2 type of points, taking C as 0 and taking F as 0. When we take C as 0, F is equal to 32, and when we take F equals 0, then C becomes, putting this 0 equal 9/5 C plus 32. Then 9/5 C equal minus 32. Then C equal minus 32 into 5/9. This will be in decimal form. So don't take F as 0. Taking C in the multiple of 5. Taking C in the multiple of 5. 5 multiple means C equal 5. Putting C equal 5 will be 5 cancelled. Then 9 plus 32. Value of F will be, or if you want to take it as a easy, then put 10. Putting 10, 9/5 into 10 plus 32. 5 2s are 9 2s are 18 plus 32. It means 50. It is easy figures. These are easy figures, so put C equal 10. Now draw a graph for it, drawing the axis, x axis and y axis, and taking points means taking as 10 points equal 1 centimeter or 10 points equal 1 centimeter. Then C on x axis 0, 10 point means 1 centimeter means 1 centimeter होगा. 32 means positive होगा इधर 1 2. Plot the points. C equal 0 means x axis पे और we will move on x axis at 0 distance, 0 displacement means we will be at the origin. And f equal 32. F is represents for the y axis, so it will move towards the y axis, and y axis, then y axis होगा 32, 1 2 3, 32 near about here. This will be 32. This point is 0, 32. Now next point, x axis, on x axis 10, 10 means 1 unit, and y axis 50, 50 means 5 units. So move here towards the y axis, along the y axis, parallel to the y axis. It is here, and this is at 10, 50. But we can write these as these points can be represented that here is we are moving in centimeters. Then centimeter, then it will be 0, 3.2, and it is 1, 5. After that, for the answer we can calculate them by multiplying 10, because we have let a scale of 10 units equal 1 centimeter. Then join these lines by a scale. With the help of a scale, this will move like this. This is our graph. After that, we have to answer the given another following questions. If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, if temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? 30 degrees Celsius means 3 centimeter. On Celsius is represented on along the x-axis. So 3, it is 3. Move towards the perpendicularly, move towards here, and your straight line will go as, and it will cut, intersect here. This point will represent the exchange value, interchanging value. Draw a perpendicular here. This value towards x-axis will be the Fahrenheit value, और x-axis पे ये x-axis towards x-axis, take it as 5, then 6 and 7. If we put here 30, 5 6 are 30, 6 9s are 54, then 32 means 86, means here will be 6 7 8 near about. These distances are not same. When you will draw it on a graph paper, your answer will accurately true, or that answer here you will find that this point will lie on 8.6. This point will lie at 8.6, and after multiplying by 10, because we have let that 10 units equal 1 centimeter, on multiplying by 10 we will find 86. This will be our Fahrenheit temperature for 30 degrees Celsius. And like as you can tell the answers of other questions, so try to solve it. If there is any problem, comment me. I will solve them.